Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And this is all about this crisis that we're in and staying inside. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, you know I love to stock up on things. I've always been the type of person, I wouldn't call myself a hoarder, but I buy in bulk. And thank God I've been doing that for decades. So now during this crisis, I must say that I was blessed to have a lot of the things already on hand that are completely out of stock. Okay, so, this mad confusion about what to do if you don't have hand sanitizer, if you don't have anything to kind of spray things down, because all of the Lysol, every Lysol can is gone, okay? The hand sanitizer's been gone. And also alcohol, okay? Who is hoarding the alcohol, for God's sake? Okay, well, here's a little tip. This is what I've done. Quite frankly, I used to buy alcohol in bulk. I used to get the probably 8 to 6, not gallons, but half gallons of alcohol because I use it on my hair. I use it on everything. So here you go. And you know it's great for cleaning the lace on your units. Hello, ladies. You know what I'm talking about, and gents. All right. So this is what I decided I was going to do. First of all, I bought these beautiful little bottles from eBay. There are now none left. Okay. It was a pack of 6. So what I did, I decided, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make my own sanitizer spray. So I talked to my good old mother, honey, and she told me, she's like, oh yeah, I don't have any sanitizer, but I made my own. I'm like, I love my mother. I really do. Okay, so what I did order some glycerol. I think I got this from eBay as well. This is a 16 ounce. You only need a little. You don't need a lot. And I got alcohol in 70%. I have 99% and I have 91%. So alcohol, I got a plethora of alcohol, I must say. So what I did, I mixed that with a little bit of Lysol all-purpose cleanser. So I did my alcohol, my glycerol, my Lysol that cleans countertops, all-purpose cleanser. I put some distilled water in there, and I was like, okay, here you go. I wrote on here, strong sanitizer. So I spray all of my door handles. I spray the exits in and out. I spray the mailbox before I have to open it. So every day I do a ritual. I wiped out all of our door handles and light switches. In addition to that, the exterior where we live, I spray down the handles, everything. The doorbells, hello. The mailboxes. My husband's like, you are spraying me every day. I'm like, well, hello. So these are wonderful. If you can't find these little bottles, get any kind of bottle you can find. You can go to CVS, you can order from CVS and get these bottles the travel size. There is a shortage of spray bottles all of a sudden, but that's what I recommend for spraying things down. And you don't need a lot. You really don't. I still wear gloves when I go outside. I am in mask all day, every day when I'm outside. I don't go outside a lot, but I have to take Quincey out, and now I am also wearing my mask to that. Okay, so these little containers are great for hand sanitizers. And once again, they're all gone. There ain't no hand sanitizer. Don't worry, honey. So if you have alcohol, or if you have peroxide. That's what I'm not about hydroxide, it's for my face. Peroxide. If you have some peroxide, which you know you do somewhere in your cabinet, okay, take a little bit of that, a little bit of 100% glycerin. Love this stuff. I buy it in bulk. I had like 5 of these. And yes. Okay. And so in your little container, you just pour your glycerin in there. You pour some alcohol, I'd say 50% or greater. I usually like to do 70, but if you have 50, make it work, honey. And I also put in some essential oils so that it could smell nice, whatever your flavors are. I happen to have like 10 of these. So I was like, okay, put a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And because we're using the hand sanitizer so frequently, literally, I'm using it all day, every day. So I decided I was going to add a little bit of, just a hint of gel, meaning like an oil, just so when I put it on, quite frankly, it allows my skin to be a little bit more moist and not this hideous drying out. So I'm kind of doing things twofold. And to my knowledge, I don't believe the oil will break down any of the astringents in the alcohol. And now my hands are not as dry. So you could add or leave out the little bit of oil. It's up to you. But these are my DIY, at home, do your own stuff. Okay? So don't feel overwhelmed. Just get you some bleach. My mom put bleach. She put a little bit of Dawn. She put some vinegar. And she put some alcohol in a big old container, and that's her sanitizer. She sprays down everything. She sprays down people when they bring on her over her meal on wheels, everything, honey. Let me tell you, we are trying to stay alive, okay? So kiss a loved one, call your mom, call your friends, call everybody you can and say hello and wish them the best. So everybody stay safe. These are my DIY tricks of the trade. And please click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. And I got a few new things coming on site. I will let you know. But I'm really, really excited about it. It's going to be phenomenal. Phenomenal. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.